Hello and welcome to another Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. In this one we're going to be making a laser style projectile, and for this project we'll need the first person example. To start, we're going to need to make a material for our object. I'm going to call mine glow. And to start, we're going to change the shading model to unlit. We're going to need vector parameter, and we're also going to need a scalar parameter. For that sake of keeping it clean, we're going to call it brightness, that we know that's what we will adjust with this parameter. And from here, we're going to multiply the two together. Nope, not multiply, add. Multiply. Just attach those two together and put that into the emissive color. Apply, save. From there, we can create a material instance, which allows us to adjust. You can turn the brightness up until it looks like something like that. And if you take it, you can take it really high, but you'll burn your eyes out. So that's probably good. Leave it at 1000. Save that. Now we're going to need a particle system. We'll call it the trail. And for that, we're going to need type data, new mesh data. And we're also going to need a material. So for the mesh, if you have the big starter stuff on, there should be shapes in there. We're going to need the cylinder for this. And we can leave all that the same. So we'll go into required and look for our glow instance. Add that on. And we're also going to rotate it by 90 degrees. That way it's not straight up and down, it comes out of the back of the projectile. So no need to worry about that stuff. We'll go into the lifetime. And we want to make sure that we don't get a super huge trail, unless that's something you want. If you want a longer trail, leave the lifetime longer. Size. You can scale this down quite a bit, because our projectile isn't going to be that big. And max will do the same. So now you can kind of see. There's the projectile there. Mesh, there we go. Material, mesh material. We're going to need that as well. Grab our glow again. Now it's very, very bright. That's exactly what we want. So apply and save that. Open up the projectile now, the viewport. Just going to change this material to our that's the mesh that I'm changing. We want to change the material to our nice bright glowing one, and we're going to add a particle system. Now I'll call it trail. And from there we're going to look for our trail particle. You can see it in the center there. Compile, we'll save that. And just going to mute that or else it's going to be extremely loud. And see how it looks. So you can see there's a bit of a trail on it. Open up the particle here, and we want to increase the spawn rate 100, and we will make the size a little bigger. Not so much longer. We just need it a little bigger. And increase the lifetime by just a touch. So there you have it. It's a simple laser style projectile, and can fine tune it a little more, make the stream a little more steady, a little more condensed, and maybe look a little better. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.